Hello. I know that many of you have asked yourself, why can't I keep my home organized? Well, and you've shamed yourself. You feel guilty. Sometimes it pops into your head, maybe you're lazy, but then you're not lazy because you work full time, or even if you don't work full time, you're working at home, keeping your kids from fighting, and you're picking up toys. Whatever your day brings, you're pretty busy. Maybe you're saying to yourself, I'm not disciplined enough. Maybe you think something's wrong with you. If you've ever felt that way, I want you to hear this. The problem usually isn't that you lack motivation. The problem is that you've never been shown a system that actually works for your home, your family, and your life. Systems have to work for you. Not every system works for every person. It has to work for the way your brain works. I'm Carrie Fullerton with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and I'm a professional organizer and organizing coach. And I've helped families, busy professionals, seniors, people with ADHD, and small business owners create simple systems that reduce the stress and save them time. And I've even learned from some of my clients and improved some of these methods. There are occasions where, even though I'm a professional, I learn something new. People rarely struggle because they don't really care. They struggle because they've been trying to solve the wrong problem. Many people think organizing means buying many containers. Now, although containers help in certain situations, they don't help in every situation. So others believe it means getting rid of everything and just having a minimal home with zero things on their counter. But that doesn't work for every person either. Some think they simply need more willpower. None of those are the real solution. Organization isn't about having a Pinterest perfect home. It's about making your home work for you and the lifestyle that you're living today, not yesterday and not in the future. Every item in your home should work for you. Real organization removes the friction. It saves time, it lowers stress, it helps mornings run smoother. And I know my kids are grown now, but I remember those days when the mornings did not run very smoothly. My kids, I had one that never could find his shoes, and he didn't have that many pairs. So we are going to have some real solutions to save time, lower stress, help your mornings run smoothly, make cooking easier, decision fatigue a little freer. And all of this allows you to enjoy your family instead of constantly cleaning up after them. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions I see is that people believe organizing is a one-day project. It isn't. Organizing is creating systems that are easy to maintain. Simple systems almost always outperform the complicated ones. Has to be as easy to put away as it is to leave out. That's true whether you're organizing a kitchen, paperwork, or downsizing for a move, running a business, or helping anyone that has ADHD and needs to stay on track. Another misconception is that if a system doesn't work, that you have failed. Actually, the opposite is true. The system failed you. It's got to work for you and your brain and your lifestyle today. Good organizing should fit your personality, your habits, your family, your season of life, and your daily routines. Even if you want to change a habit, you have to do it little by little. So that's why copying someone else's home rarely produces lasting results. Their life isn't your life. A customized system will always outperform a generic one. Now, I've also learned something else after working in hundreds of homes. Clutter is often just the visible symptom. Underneath it may be overwhelm. Maybe your life is just so busy. Major life changes. You were sick, or you're taking care of someone that is sick. Grief, maybe you lost someone. Health challenges, ADHD, moving challenges, aging parents, growing family, or simply never learned practical organizing skills. That's why I never begin with judgment. I begin by listening, because every family has a story and every home deserves a solution that fits. If you've been trying over and over without lasting success, don't lose hope. Organization isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Small improvements made consistently create lasting change. If you're feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to begin, that's exactly why a professional organizer exists. That's why I have a thriving business. We help you make decisions. We create systems that work for you and the way your brain works. We remove the overwhelm, and we help you build routines that continue working long after we're gone. If you're in the Rio Grande Valley, I'd love to help you in person. If you live somewhere else, I also offer virtual organizing and organizing coaching. If you've ever thought about becoming a professional organizer yourself, subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing insights into the profession, the mindset behind successful organizers, and what it really takes to build a meaningful organizing business. Now, thank you so much, guys, for watching, for coming, and stay tuned for some more videos. But if this video encouraged you, please click like, subscribe, and maybe give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who could use a little hope today. And remember, simple systems create calmer homes, and calmer homes create more room for what matters most. I'll see you on the next video.